Emissions in any country are the result of complex interactions between market forces, technological change, national policies, and actions taken by regional and local bodies such as city and state governments. It is not clear at this stage how the US withdrawal from the Paris Agreement will affect future emissions.
We will continue to make sure that the scientific knowledge and information is out there so that decision makers at all levels can make the best decisions in the context of which they need to make decisions. And so I think this is an inspiring moment actually for all of us.
The questions of negotiating or renegotiating the agreement, that's a question for the Secretariat of the Climate Convention, UNFCCC, the people who organised the Paris Agreement at the Conference of the Parties in Paris in December 2015. But they said themselves yesterday that they understand that it's a historic treaty which is not open to renegotiation at the request of an individual party.
The US, like many other countries, has ratified the Paris Agreement. The actual implementation of it very much depends on cities, on different levels of government, on the corporate sector, and the very clear message that is coming that from the United States is that many cities, many states, many corporations, they are still committed to implementing the Paris Agreement, and it's the action on the ground, it's the action to cut greenhouse gas emissions which is going to make the real difference on climate change.
What we don't know is the trend of US emissions as a result of this decision. And as I said in my answer, there are many, many factors that will influence that. It's quite possible that US emissions will continue to fall, whether they're in the Paris Agreement or not. For example, there are many, many uncertainties around this